Okay, today's lesson is going to show you how to take your clipboard and put it onto a title block. So the first thing you're going to want to do to get a title block is to go to Open, and then you're going to go into the class folder, Rogers, 7th grade templates, and you'll find title block. Now this is not your file, so we want to make it your file. So what you're going to do is go to File, Save As, and then you are going to put it in your folder. So go back to the class folder, Rogers, semester 2, your hour, the name, and then we're going to just save this as title block and just click Save. You won't get that message there. Now, this is saved in your folder, and then we want to make it yours because we're going to use it for more projects than just the clipboard. So if you double click on the name that's there, you can change this name to your name. Oops, make sure that all the caps lock is on because we want to have, in drafting we always have capital letters. If it's not in the right spot, it's not centered, you can go move your cursor on it and you can move this wherever you want to put it and just click and hold and drag it to where you want it and then release. Change the date on there, and if it doesn't say clipboard, then save that. Then what you're going to want to do is we have to put our project in here. So if you click Base, you have to find your file that you want. We want the clipboard. So we're going to open this little file folder, and we are going to go into your folder and find your drawing. So Hour 1, your name, and then you're going to find your clipboard. Now make sure the scale says 1 to 2, and you're going to click this little button here that says Shaded. If it's blue, then it's selected. And what you'll do then is you're going to move your cursor out here, and you're going to see that little green box that's on the outside. You're going to click, and then you're going to right click, and OK. Now, we have the front view here, that little box in the middle. We want to click and hold and drag that down so that we have both views on here. We have the front and the top view. All right? Once you do that, and again, if it's not color, just double click on this view and then make sure the shaded button is pressed. Alright? Once you're done with that, then you go up to File, Print. Make sure that you have the CMW PLTW printer. If it doesn't show up, you need to save this drawing, shut the computer down, restart it, and then hope it pops up again. Okay, so we're going to click OK, and then it's going to print out. You're going to take this drawing then, and you will put it in your locker, your folder, or something to keep it so that when we go to the shop, you have your plan laid out for you. Okay? Once you do have it printed, just go to File, Save As, and save this as clipboard. And that way it will save it in case you lose it or you need to print another copy for some reason. Okay? And that's all you need to do for making a title block.